Hey, it's Gaming with S&B, and today we have a 2014 Dodge Ram here in the shop. We're replacing the failure-prone plastic Y pipe with our new one-piece aluminum Y pipe. We're going to get right into the install of this. We're going to be breaking apart these plastic clamps, pinching the clamp here, removing the plastic. Then we're going to push in the new aluminum pipe and get right into the install. So the first step is we're going to go over here and we're going to crack open the coolant tank just in case it's pressurized. If you already have a crack in your pipe, it'd be hard for this to be pressurized, but just in case, get that cracked. We'll go back over here in the first step. It's going to be breaking off the plastic clamp. Be careful not to damage the hose. Okay. Get this peeled away, then there's one more right here. It's a good idea to have a bucket under the truck as well. Catch any coolant. So for these, I'm just going into the hole that is on the clamp and just breaking off each side. There we go. Now for the metal clamp, get that locked in, slide it down the hose and off. And then I'm going to go over and grab a pick so we can get these started. Use a small flathead screwdriver to see if we can get these off. It's a truck from 2014, so they're kind of baked on there. This lower one's coming off easier. My trick was I got the screwdriver all the way down and past the plastic fitting, pulled back on it. You can see I damaged the plastic fitting there, but that's being replaced anyway. Now we just got this other side. We'll get our pick in. All right, there's the plastic piece. You can see the difference with the one-piece S&B aluminum. This one is not cracked. We're doing it because we had another 14 that was cracked. So after we have the clamp removed on the OEM, we're going to take some of this coolant that we kind of have everywhere right now, get it on the ends and get it pressed in there. There as well. Okay, now we got all these hoses installed. We're going to break these T-bolt clamps apart. We'll get the nut started. Now we'll get these tightened down. Then we'll grab our torque wrench and get it set to 60 inch-pounds. Then I'm gonna hide this T-bolt just to make it look a little bit nicer in the engine bay. All right, now we're gonna tighten this to 60 inch-pounds. So the installation's complete. We got them all torqued down, everything's set. It's a huge replacement over the stock pipe. This one, again, isn't cracked, but it will crack eventually. Let us know if you have any questions.